Can you paint with watercolors? Loosely? It's not that easy, is it? Some voice inside of you says, do it nicely. Don't go over the lines. Paint everything. Don't mix up the colors. Maybe it's our art teachers or parents from when we were kids. Whoever they were wrong. Let's make a mess. Hi, my name is Fatih, but you can call me Fab. Fab is not short for fabulous. I am fabulous, but it's just not. I'm a watercolor artist, online teacher, and productivity enthusiast. Check, what's that? Productivity enthusiast? Like I'm a big fan of productivity, but not quite there yet. I wanted to make this class because when I teach or show no effort sketch journaling, painting doesn't get the credit it deserves. I call it dismissively splashing around, and it takes the least amount of time. But it's essential. While it's not hard to paint the way I do, it might not be intuitive for you. It certainly wasn't for me. I had to train myself to be able to do this. So, by the end of this class, you will be able to paint so loosely, your watercolors will feel spontaneous, bold, and full of energy. This class is for anyone. You don't need any experience or prior knowledge to take this class. If you feel like you can't quite grasp the idea of what no effort sketch journaling is, you can go back and watch other classes of mine on this topic because this is the part 3 of the series. Other than that, grab your watercolors and watercolor paper and get ready to splash around. Look, again I'm saying splash around. It's painting, proper painting. Other than that, you might need a brush, a cup of water, and some pages on your sketchbook with ready to paint drawings. Since this is no effort painting, we are not gonna slow down with drawing. That was the previous class. During the class, I will break down how I paint with watercolors when I'm doing no effort sketch journaling. We will talk about how to choose colors, coloring the subject, coloring the title, letting colors mix, how to make a mess on purpose, the art of splashing, and the art of not painting bloody everything. So your class project is to let loose. I wanna see an art journal page from you that is so loose, I'm gonna think that you were drunk when you painted it. I can't wait to start painting with you. This is my favorite part. Let's go. Jack, are you ready to let loose? Actually, I wanna see you a bit tighter. You are already loose enough.